1919, 1917. Right, don't laugh. 1917, 1919 September. First one in 1919, November 28, right? November 28, right down. November 28. The first word saw. Right, the next point, next full stop. The first word saw the collapse of emperors, empire, states of Ottoman and Russian Empire, and so on. Empires are collapsed after the First World War. Next in the Second War, after the Second World War finished, ended at Stalingrad of USA in 1945, September 1st. The Second World War saw the Second World War saw the right on. The Second World saw the sit down. The Second World saw the collapse of colonial countries. Colonial, COLONIL. Colonial countries. First World War ఏమైంది? ఎంపైర్ రాజ్యాలన్నీ పోయినాయి. సెకండ్ వరల్డ్ వార్ తర్వాత ఏమైంది? కాలనీస్ అన్ని అదృశ్యమైపోయింది. లైక్ ఇండియా, సౌత్ ఆఫ్రికా, శ్రీలంక, so many. There are 50 colonial countries are there which got to liberation. But here right, it is very rare. But Nigeria didn't get to. Nigeria country didn't get to the liberty since 1963. Different circumstances of made this happen. రకరకాల పరిస్థితులు హ్యాపన్. What are those? I can tell this in this lesson. First Nigeria in 1650, there were so many islands which are congregated by, which are merged by Britain, and occupied 1860. Occupied Nigeria as a colonial country of Britain. The main problem in this Nigeria is at that time slaves were picked by traders and sell them to the European countries and America. European countries ki America ki అమ్మేవాళ్ళు slaves. In Nigeria there are three reasons beside Niger River. Niger River, Niger River, beside Niger River, a north region is called Hausani and Fulani. HAUSSANI Fulani, POLAN. North region called Hausa Fulani, and south regions are called Igbo tribe region and Yoruba tribe region. The north region is populated by Muslims. North region lo Muslims undaru Avasani Palani. Whereas in south region is occupied by Christians. Igbo and Igbo tribes. Then in 1923, 1928, 1933, under the British regime, there happened elections. In that elections, Harshit Macaulay won in 3 elections. In 3 consecutive elections. In 1930, NNDP was formed. NNDP means Nigerian National Democratic Party was formed by Harshit Macaulay. M-A-U-C-U-L-A-Y, Macaulay. Next, a Nigerian Youth Party, NYM is formed by Nandame, Ezekwe, write down, why do you sit idle by looking at him? Ezekwe, he is the youth leader. Both are emerged as the leaders and fight against the British by the principles of Pan-Africanism and Nigerian nationalism. Pan-Africanism is an idea. Pan-Africanism is an idea. Underline it. Is an idea which unites all the European people for fighting against British rule, and develop the Nigerian nationalism. That is the Pan-Africanism idea. Then the Nigerian Delta is full of oil resources, oil resources, which is drilled by Dutch Shell company. You know that oil shell is there. DUTCH, Dutch Shell, SHELL company, which after the failure of Macaulay government, reason military rule was going at that time. Military rulers and oil company corporations combined together by exploiting oil resources and manpower of the Nigeria. In 1999, they formed a democratic rule in Nigeria by overcoming 38 years turmoil. Turmoil means Gandhargola. Overcoming 39 years turmoils. Nandame Ajiki was Nandame NNADANM. Nandame AZI WAK Ajiki became a powerful leader in Nigeria. But Macaulay was the Archid Macaulay is the founder of Nigeria. Next in China region. Next at that time national movement in China region. After write down after throwing up. Don't look at the book. After throwing up Manchurian kingdom. Sun 8 sun. SUN, Y88 sun. SEN. Sun 8 sun form a republic and he was called as the founder of China. He was founder of China by forming Pheasants welfare society. After the regime of Sun 8 sun. After the regime of Sun 8 sun, at that time, warlords, WARLODS, warlords became emerged and occupied the lands of poor and middlemen lands by force. Macaulay failed to control the warlords. At that time, May 4th revolution happened in China by the cause of the Versailles Treaty. In the Versailles Treaty, China was not able to return their lands from Japan. That is the main reason which happens for May 4th revolution. And Versailles Treaty during వాళ్ళ ల్యాండ్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలేదు. అందువల్ల May 4th revolution ఏర్పడింది. After May 4th revolution, KMT party was emerged one side. KMT party was one side by the policies of Sun 8 sun. By the policy of Sun 8 sun, Sun 8 sun, democracy, nationalism, food for people. His policies are democracy,